If I had one more minute,
Gosh, that's a hard question.
I would tell her I still wanted you to be with me.
I just want to tell her that I love her.
I would thank him for being a brilliant son.
I think it would just be nice to look at her.
To see her open her eyes.
eyes.
I'd remind her of all the wonderful things that she'd given us, and we'll never forget her. That's what I'd say to her.
If I had one more minute, there's loads.
I would say I love you because I didn't have the chance to.
It would be just to tell him that we're doing okay.
Child Bereavement UK gives face-to-face support to children, young people and families when a child grieves or when a child dies.
Please take one more minute to support Child Bereavement UK and help to rebuild the lives of bereaved families.